it go? It appears we've lost the ball. Whoa! Sorry, my light box panicked. Hello friends, it's me, and today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. So I have a whole pack of mini brands, and if you guys don't know what mini brands are, they are these mystery balls. I got a whole container, and if you see these, it's exactly what they say they are. They have mini brands inside them. I've been watching a lot of these unboxings on TikTok, so we're just gonna like get into it, and I wanna show you guys what I got. I don't know the easiest way to open these. I think we're just gonna let it rip with some scissors. This is the first one I've ever opened up, so we're gonna do it together. You can get these at like Target, Walmart. I got mine off Amazon. So it looks like a beach ball, but it opens up like an orange. Boop. It's like those chocolate oranges. How do we even open these? Do we just pull this apart? We're gonna have to use some teeth for this one. What's the first one we got? Pure Silk Spa Therapy Shave Cream. Can I open it though? No, it does not open. I feel like that was a very boring one. Next up, I think I'm probably gonna have to use teeth for all of these. Oh, we have to assemble this one. It's a shopping cart, isn't it? These are all the pieces. You gotta have a shopping cart. I don't need instructions. Oh no, it's not a shopping cart. It's a shopping basket. Okay, I feel like this is a very appropriate one to get first. So we can go on our mini shopping trip. How many failed attempts till I decide to use the instructions? Oh no, we're putting it together. Here we go. Oh heck. Pop that last piece in. Can't have a shopping basket with no handles. All right, there we go. And she's assembled. Ready to go shopping. Don't forget the mini stickers. 5 surprise. That's what you get in each ball. Oh, that is one big bottle. So spa treatment or a gallon of milk. Ooh, Magnum ice cream. Double peanut butter. I don't like peanut butter ice cream, but we can open it up and oh, it's just styrofoam on the inside. Delicious, not so nutritious. Oh, and we got a shopping list with it that tells me which items are rare, which are the super rare. There's some glow in the dark, metallic. We got what items we can get from here. Man, that's like Christmas. Oh, we got some Axe deodorant. This is actually the one that I use and Evan uses. Oh, it's so teeny tiny. It's got all the things on the back, even the barcode. Very small, I love it. The last one in this pack, some dum-dums, the lollipops. A tiny little pack. Guys do see how small these dum-dums are. You told me there's 300 lollipops inside there? Nothing but lies and slander. I feel as if the hardest part is removing all of this plastic.
Give me the groceries.
Bro, they should make toilet paper super rare. Can you even get toilet paper in this? Beach ball number 2. Maybe we won't unbox all of these because this is gonna take a long time. Unless I can like get through these quick. It's a Warhead Spray. Is it? It's watermelon flavored and it's a super sour one. I believe you spray this onto your tongue and it's like that. Let me get that sour fixed real quick. It's so sparkly. Look at that detail. What else we got? We got Smarties. I don't know why I thought I smelled it for a second. Oh, and even the nutritional information, it's so tiny. What is this, the Halloween candy aisle? Let's just go crazy with this. Chupa Chups, the lollipops. Is this glass? This is a very fancy, nice quality Chupa Chups lollipop container that does not even contain lollipops. This whole thing has just been candy, huh? Oh, wow. Dulce de caramel syrup. Oh, fancy. Nice little bottle caramel sauce. Delicious. This looks so delicious right now. I wish I could just pop this open. Suck it dry. And then the other one. Oh, some beans? No beans? What do you mean no beans? Is this vegan beans? Wait, beans are vegan. No beans, no artificial ingredients. It's hormone. Oh, it's chili with no beans? Okay. I wish I could just like, ooh, zoom in. Life don't work that way. Oh, you can make chili cheese dip. Ooh, where did it go? It appears we've lost the ball. There needs to be a contest who can unbox these the quickest. All this unnecessary packaging. All right, here we go. I'm gonna lay her out. Oh, she pretty. Peanut butter! Nice. This is what I always wanted. The smallest little jar of peanut butter. Oh yes, the Skippy natural peanut butter. Look at all those calories. Made with real peanuts. You guys like creamy peanut butter or crunchy? I like crunchy and I like honey roasted peanut butter. That is the best kind, no cap. Oh no, Smarties again? Be gone with you. Again? The Chupa Chups. I'm not complaining. That's a pretty jar. This RNG sucks. Oh, the Dove men's soap. Yes, this is the one that Evan uses. It's like they knew. These are the only grocery store hygiene products we buy. And I got them. Coincidence? I think not. They're watching me. Oh, pure silk again, but we got coconut flavored. Or scented, not flavored. These ain't food. You shave with these? I guess. You definitely don't eat them. By the way, if you're wondering what the thing on my hand is I got some tattoo pens today. They're temporary tattoo markers. And I drew a command seal on me. Oh, we got some more lollipops. More Chupa Chups. I love me the cans. Oh, beef stew, delicious. Truly a delicacy, not the canned kind, but it'll have to do. Do you know in French, beef is boeuf stew? Oh, I was like, another pure silk, but it's Axe. Anarchy for her. This is a female Axe spray. Perhaps it's a body wash. Never know until we try it. Again? Boy, if you don't third time in a row, they trying to tell me something with these Chupa Chups. Is this the soy sauce? Oh, I love me some soy sauce. This is the kind that they have at sushi restaurants too.
Delicious.
Kikkoman. The not gluten-free soy sauce. Another Warhead sour spray. Give me something new. Give me something fun and fresh. Some shaving cream. Y'all trying to tell me something? I want something good, something rare. Mentos watermelon. I like these Mentos, the one that got that goo in the middle of it. My favorite. Moon pies. Now we talking. Strawberry flavored. The taste that never gets old. I think this one's rare. Oh, are these Lysol? Oh, yes. Baby, this is what I'm talking about. This is what we've been trying to get. The wet wipes antibacterial. That's that good rare stuff. Oh, it looks like I can open the top, but I can't. The material is nice. This is fancy. Got like a rubber cap right here. Oh, so you can put it back together when you're done with it. Look, so you're not wasting all these perfectly good hiding places. Ooh, looks fancy. Bacon. Bacon crumbles. I was like, I never seen bacon come in a butter container. The teeniest little bacon container. Oh, I thought there was crumbles in it for a hot second, but no. It's just printed on, but it looks like it. It's like these items are so random too. Is this another bean? We got no bean chili. The beans make it chili. I didn't even know there was no bean chili. Whoa! Sorry, my light box panicked. Not another dang chili with no beans. Q-tips. Oh, these be looking fancy and cute. More like Q-tips. Oh, another peanut butter. I'm not complaining about this duplicate. All right, what will we get this time? How many duplicates we getting now? Oh no, we got a moon pie, but a chocolate flavored one. Double moon pie. We're trying to eat a pie and then die because they had too many pies. And I've never had a moon pie before. Oh, another one, the same thing, right next to each other. We got double pies, both chocolate. Lotion? I think it's lotion, yes. Let me some Hawaiian lotion. Oh no, it's sunscreen. I see that SPF 30. Sunscreen. Can you guys read that? Oh, it's so tiny! The Forky's pasta mix! Wow, I like this. Dude, that's nothing but styrofoam in it. This has gotta be one of the cutest ones. The littlest thing of pasta. We even got the recipe on the back of it. I can't. I wanna do a mini cooking with these. If only they were real. Oh yes, more wet wipes. Delicious. I got more wet wipes in this ball than they have in all the grocery stores in my state. So I finished unboxing all of the balls. There's 5 left. The most annoying part of this is taking off the plastic. Let me show you this pile of plastic. Oh, check out that mess. Ugh. Ooh! I just wish it wasn't so wasteful. Real crumbled bacon. Real, you say? Oh, you shake it up. That did nothing. I got a whole entire stack of moon pies. The littlest strawberry syrup. Kind of looks like off-brand ketchup. Some of these just be really hard to separate. Another sour spray. Oh, more Chupa Chupas, lollipops. Oh, fancy. We've upgraded to a, is that a cart? Yes, ma'am, I believe it is. The last thing. Is this Starbucks? Whoa, this has gotta be the best one. Oh, Cold Stone. Their version of Starbucks. Oh, this is a giant win. Strawberry flavored. Straw doesn't work. Useless! Oh wait, there's one more in here. Oh, Vaseline. Nice. It's the aloe kind of lotion. Another shopping cart. Where were you when I needed you the most? Oh, well, this is awkward. Is this the same exact ball? We're getting the same items in it. Get another shake. Delicious. What is this? This is new Airheads. White mystery. Oh, this used to be my favorite flavor. The white one. We never knew what the mystery flavor was. Ooh, a seasoning. Surprise. Bacon pieces. What is with this and bacon pieces? We got every single brand of bacon pieces ever made. Oh, and again. Weird how I got the Vaseline again. This one was very similar to the last one. Another shopping basket. I'm not even gonna bother taking that out. Oh, Twinkies. This is extremely rare. Boy, it's glorious. And you got all the other Hostess treats on the back. Oh, yeah, okay. You know, this made everything worth it to get me my box of Twinkies. What other surprises you got in here? Oh my God, not again. I'm not even gonna show you the freaking shaving cream. Now I got 6 bottles. Another Airheads mystery flavor. It's like I keep getting the same things as the last one. Oh, we've completed the collection with the chocolate syrup. Now we got caramel, strawberry, and chocolate. The whole gang's here. The last one. Let me bless it for good luck. Please bless me with something good. I don't even know what I want, but like, let's do. Watch it give me everything I already have. Nothing. Oh, guess what I got? Another one. Another shaving cream. I have so many dang shaving creams. Smarties. No, I already have candy. I have so many candies. Another. No bean chili. Oh wait. No, this one's turkey with beans. It's a different flavor. This one has beans in it. Hallelujah. Praise Jack and the Beanstalk. Oh, another wet wipes. I'll take it. Nice. The last one, please. Oh no, it's another shopping cart. I've gotten 3 shopping carts. Not nearly enough for all my groceries. All right, well, this grocery trip kind of sucked. But anyways, that's all for today. Comment below, let me know what was the best item I got. Probably the Twinkies. If you guys enjoyed and want more videos like this, make sure to hit that like button in the face and make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Click, and subscribe to the Wolf Pack. Oh, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.